Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Wahl trimmer, Dancer Junior. This Wahl dancer is not for Europe, it's for Asia. And they got another one. It's for me, it's the same Wahl launch. I guess it's for South Americans. So this is the box. It's all written in Chinese language. So nothing really special about this box. So I can't really understand. Yeah, that's it. Specs: got 6,000 RPM, 2 hours charging time, and 2 hours operating time. For me, this is not for barber, it's for a home use. So the charging cable, got the oil, brush, and the guide combs. That's it. And what else? Anything else down? Yep. And you got the manuals. Okay. So this is it. It's a shiny one. I don't think it's metal. It feels plastically. So it is small. This is the blade. The normal Wahl T white blade doesn't fit on this one. This is my T white blade. You see, the hose doesn't fit. As you can see, they don't fit. So charging port, and it's also not the same, you know. Okay, but looks beautiful. It is quiet. You cannot zero gap it. It's a snap out blade. As you can see, you cannot zero gap it. So and the RPM, normally it should be 6,000. Yep. And without the blade, but there is something interesting about this cam follower bracket. I mean, not cam follower, bracket. Somehow you can put another blade on it. You see that? Because they got 2 holes. See that? So the wide one is for this. It's for this one. Okay. And I tried to put a Wahl T white blade and a Stylecraft X Pro blade on it. The same issue. When you put it, you turn it on, then it's making a lot of noise. Maybe someone might be lucky and put it. So for me, I didn't get any luck. So